Hi everyone. Um, if you hear the birds with the deafening noise, they are preparing for spring in their nests. All the weavers are building nests and finding their mates, and it's quite noisy but a pleasant sound. I did a video on this garden with the scalloped edges of the caraxes and then the imitation plum bushes. In the last video they were tiny. I think they were literally there. I just wanted to give you an update of how things have grown. We haven't hit our spring yet. We are waiting for our rain. It is extremely dry here and actually quite frustrating. But just to give you a little bit of an idea, the grasses have filled in nicely. Excuse my shadow. I took out the Salvia salmias because they were actually just being encased by the plum bushes. I've got Artemisia and Euphorbia in the middle, so we're going to have the white and grey in the middle of each of these scallops. We've got Rosie, who's looking up at Oliver, blowing him a kiss. The pot's still at the back. The pot has got lemon balm. It's not doing well because it sort of dies down in winter, so I'm just leaving it. It will bounce back in spring and summer with the rain coming. But you can see how everything has just shot up. So what we are planning to do, I'm just going to take a step back, is this plum, we're going to let it all grow the same sort of height. Then in the middle we'll have the blue and white, sort of, if you can picture there, coming up. Then the yellow, so it will almost look like the flame of a fire. If you can picture a fire with the yellow, blue and red or orangey red flame. At the back we've got a pergola there with a yellow geranium on it. I'll put the name up of that on the screen so that you know what it is. And then right in the middle here, not in the middle, the foreground, I have got sea holly. So I've got a sea holly there, one here, and all the way along, and they get the most beautiful raised blue flowers. So the intention here was to have a flame-like looking garden. When the sun hits it, you'll have the reds, the yellows, the blues popping. And that, yeah, and that was the idea. In the moon, when the moon shines, Rosie and Oliver really stand out with the white. So I just wanted to give you an update. I am going to be planting, I have got calendula in the foreground, which is an orange color, so that'll also correspond nicely. And then I have some Shasta daisies in here, but a mole came through and just destroyed everything. So I will be sort of filling that up with some nice color as well, and I will keep you posted. If you like the video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a safe and wonderful day.